A lot of people dream of the opportunity of going to space, but for students at one Central Florida school, it is a reality. Sorta.
Spectrum News 13's Dylan Lyons shows us the interactive curriculum taking students on a journey to planets far away.
It's a program that's out of this world, figuratively of course. The Space Magnet program at Goldsboro Elementary School in Seminole County is giving students more than just a hands-on learning experience. The person who gets to lead the children through this immersive learning experience isn't the school mascot Astro, it's Robert Wakelyn. The father of 2 teenage daughters grew up in the Sunshine State, and he says he has loved space and robotics from a very young age and credits that to living in Florida. One specific memory he has was watching the Challenger accident as an elementary school student. Now, with the passion and guidance from Robert, students can now explore the area outside of Earth.
The idea of like we have a sun in the middle, and then everything is on a course where, it rotates around it.
Before taking on the heavy duty of getting children to space, Robert worked with the robotics program at Goldsboro. As a robotics teacher, his lessons incorporated space concepts, and now as the leader of the space program, he is able to help students apply those robotics concepts to real hands-on space experiences.
They interacted with a live mission specialist that was on the other end, so the mission specialist got to interact with them while they were here.
Robert says this type of teaching format allows him to create his plan and lessons for the children from the ground up.
Like we give them an opportunity to experience flying a F-22.
He says taking on this role has allowed him to grow on his robotics foundation. So if the children just want to skip mission control and the flight to space, they can head through this store, and now they are on any planet they want.
That would be more of think with the red. I would use the idea they're on Mars at the moment. On the moon.
But they can head over to the moon with just a click of a button.
Because I have, the full perspective there, and I have the ability to add a background and things of that nature. And we also have the ability to make our own planetarium perspective where, not just on the screen, but on the roof.
Robert also uses the space for class lessons.
I've had classes, I'll sit up here and project things out here for them to watch in a full perspective. So they're really engaged into what they're in the life of it.
He says his own children love the chance to join their dad on teacher workdays in the space lab. As for the children who study there on an everyday basis, Robert says he tells them they could be working with Artemis or SpaceX one day and could even be stepping foot on the moon or planning to go to Mars. In Seminole County, Dylan Lyons, Spectrum News.